Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day. It made the children laugh and play. Oh, the teacher let it stay, let it stay, let it stay. Oh, the teacher let it stay to learn and dance today. Mary loved her little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary loved her little lamb and loved her so. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chow Nursery.